Hey guys, actually this is next project from op amp section. The book name is Electronics Circuit Design, Winter 1980. This is one of the best reference to well-known operational amplifiers. This section is noise generator. As you can see, it is very easy. Only 741 some resistors and one NPN transistor. Very good. This is the project that I made easily. The part is 100K as a schematic, and the transistor BC547 or 2N3904 is very good. The project output is connected to the meter. The voltage is 2 volt, and here is the frequency counter to show the changing frequencies as noise. You can see it is going to change and then reset and start again. By tuning the pad, we are able to change the noise level. As you can see here, we have one voltage input, 15 volt, to start the noise like this. As soon as you connect the project to oscilloscope, the wave shape gonna be like this. It is completely different with the time that your scope is not connected to any place, and the normal noise coming to the leads is completely different. And I used the 12 volt input as 15 volt we checked for the schematic, because of I don't have the 15 volt with me now, and I'm using the portable power supply like PC and the yellow cable over this alligator clip connected to the 12 volt DC and meter and counter, checking everything. Thanks for watching. I'm going to do next project. This project name is noise generator. I'm staying on the schematic for the guys that they want to take a screenshot and make this one. Book name is Electronic Circuit Design. The section op amps. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.